How to change notification controls for Music app, like song updates, recommendations, or promotional alerts. You can easily manage or turn them off in just a few steps. First, open your phone's settings and go to Apps. After that, go to App Management. From the list, select your Music app that you have installed and tap on it. Now, open the Manage Notifications section. Here, you will see multiple categories like Ring, Vibrate, and Music. Then simply allow notification turn off. You can either disable all notifications completely or customize them by turning off only unwanted options while keeping important ones like music playback controls enabled. Go back Spotify or Music app, tap on it. You can also open the option Settings on the left top corner and go to Setting directly and find a Allow Permanent Notification Settings menu for more detailed control. Simply turn off the toggle. For a cleaner experience, it's better to keep only essential notifications and disable everything else that interrupts your listening experience. Once done, your Music app will feel much more organized, with fewer distractions and better control over alerts. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Android tips and tutorials.